Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Myself, Gadkari Bushra from Chiplun. First of all, I thank Almighty Allah for granting me an opportunity to join these online Arabic classes of Jamia Ummul Qura, Konkan. It was a great pleasure for me joining these classes. Our teachers, Ilyas Maulana and Wasim Maulana, I truly appreciate both of them for their hard work and for making us perfect in this sphere of basic Arabic language. Your patience while conducting classes and helping students to learn in an effective way always encourages me to try and grow every single day. I could say that by joining these classes, I had came across many things which I was unaware of, and surely it is like an incredible gift for me. I am quite fortunate that I got chance to learn Arabic from Jamia Ummul Qura, Konkan. You are amazing at what you do, and I just pray that you always keep continuing this in your life and get a lot of reward for this from Allah. I could say that you are not only superior in your knowledge, but also you are socially superior to your deeds. Jazakallah for your guidance, and I pray may Allah prosper you with happiness and success ahead. Ameen. Lastly, I would like to dedicate a small shairi for my teachers and end my thoughts. सदा खुश रखना मेरे खुदा उनको, सदा खुश रखना मेरे खुदा उनको, तेरे फरिश्ते भी दे दुआ उनको, देना उनको उनकी चाहत से ज़्यादा, देना उनको उनकी चाहत से ज़्यादा, मांगे जो मेरे उस्ताद एक कतरा तो मिले दरिया उनको। जज़ाकल्लाह। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।